Hey, beautiful people. Welcome. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel Campbell, and I am a second grade teacher here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is my channel, Teach Miss Campbell, where I teach you many different things that I have learned over the years as a special education teacher, a kindergarten teacher, and now a second grade teacher. So in today's video, I will teach you 10 back to school teacher goodies that are must-haves that you should definitely buy. So the first one is going to be this little goodie, this little, what is this called?
Lord have mercy.
This little goodie, waitress apron. So I know waitress will use this a lot when there's servers and they're taking orders and they're putting their little checkbooks, but let me tell you, this is a goodie for teachers. This has 3 pockets. There's pocket 1, 2, and 3. And what I do is I just wrap it around my body. And then I walk around the classroom with it, y'all. It's literally the best. I have so many goodies inside of my pockets, right? So as this walking around the classroom, these are some stuff that I have, and it grows all the time. It's not always just these, but I have like my Sharpie marker that I might put in one pocket, a pen, I might put in other, some dry erase markers. I might put them all in the same pocket. Then you never know, I can put my phone in the other pocket. So put my phone here in this pocket, y'all, just because of emergencies. Your phone is right there. You don't have to walk across the room. Or if you are in a different classroom, you have your phone on you and you don't have to run back to your classroom for an emergency, right? And these are Band-Aids, super essential, y'all. Definitely have your Band-Aids for your kiddos. So, and then I have some stickers that I can give out to students. So I would put like stickers, Band-Aids, pens, markers, dry erase markers, my phone, and I would walk around the room helping kiddos, teaching, and if they need an emergency Band-Aid, I can get that right away. If they need a phone call, there's something going on in the school, I can get that. If I need to give them some sticky points, some stickers for doing awesome, I can do that as well. So these are super, super helpful. So that is number 1. I hope you like that. And number 2 is, y'all, laminating machine. This, and you can't forget your laminating machine without laminating pouches from Scotch. So these are number 2 because they go hand in hand. You can't just get a laminating machine without a laminating pouch, right? Right? Yeah. So this has been helpful. If you are a creative teacher and you love to be creative, I highly recommend this. Working at a school, we started off very small and we have a laminating machine at our school, but as it grows, there's times when there are teachers in the laminating machine. There's only like a few, like 2, they're using it, and then they run out of laminated pouches. I don't have time. I do have time, but I can work smarter by just using my own instead of having to go to the copy room and someone's using the laminating machines. I can just use it at home in my own classroom and just save time. I don't have to move and go around. I can just be efficient, working smarter in my own classroom or at home with my own pouches, y'all. You can do so much wonderful things with these pouches. And the great thing about them is that when you laminate something, it lasts longer. So if you have a regular piece of paper, it tears. A lot of students may tear it by accident, you know? And so if you get a laminating, it's difficult to tear. It's not so easy and it lasts longer. I have so many posters for many years because I laminated it. So if you are creative and you want to keep posters for a long time, you want to make it, jazz it up in your class, you want to save time and work smarter, I highly recommend the laminating pouches as well as the laminating machine. So that's number 2. Number 3, y'all, is this cutter. Y'all, we have scissors, yes, but this right here is a life changer. There is one at my school, but it's only one. And we have a lot of teachers, y'all. So again, I'm trying to save time. And you can do multiple papers at the same time. So let me demonstrate to you how this works. Let's get a random paper. you can do multiple papers at the same time. So I'm going to use these white papers. As you see, there's multiple, right? So what you would do, you would lay it flat on a flat surface, but for now, just for the demo, I'm just going to show you. You open it up, all you got to do is line it up. It has the ruler sections that you can use to line it up, which is awesome, because if you are not you don't know how to line things up, it lines it up for you, and then it keeps it flat. So you see how it's flat, and you can just line it up, and all you got to do is pull this down, right, and cut up, and voila, you just made paper. Look how much time you saved. You know, we have scissors, yes, and cut, but when you have 28 students, 29 students, 30 students, 40 students, like you have a lot, you don't have time to cut. This just saved me a few seconds, and I love it. So I hope you invest in this. Now, don't go spending so much money now, y'all. Scatter it out. Don't buy everything at once. There are many stores that have sales, so look for those deals, look for those sales, and scatter it out, and try to save and budget yourself. Don't go too crazy spending so much stuff, because remember, your school should be able to give you supplies, right? So ask your school for supplies, but things that they cannot give you or they won't give you, get it yourself. Just budget and, look for those deals and sales. So that is that's one, two, and that's three, right? So that's number 3. We have 1, 2, and 3. Number 4 is my little gadget. These are surge protectors, right? Now, there's many different kinds. My mom got me this, and it's awesome. You can get any type. It does not have to look like this, y'all. It can look like this. Okay? It can look like this, too, right? It can look like this. This is what I have at my home, in my office. It can look like that. But if you want, this is a really cool one because you can put your phone in this slot. So if I take my phone out of my pocket, I just put my phone here, and it holds my phone and it spins. See how it's spinning? So it spins. Put my phone here to charge. I can charge my laptop. I can charge my phone. I can charge tablets, anything that I need. It has the different outlets for that. And it has the USB as well. So not only does it have these outlets, but it has the USB as well. And so this is really cool because I have this little right here. I just put my phone this way and it stays just like that, right? And so this is a really cool gadget that I really, really love, and it saves me space because it's not all scattered out like the one that I had there, but it's standing up right there. So that is my 4th teacher must-have gadget, y'all. Let's get into the next one. 5. I can't forget this. This is an essential that you need forever. Get you a stapler for yourself, right? Get you some staples, staple the paper, and you got this. Very necessary for teachers. And it's from UB. And UB is a very, very cool organization because every time you make a purchase, they donate a box or supplies to a classroom, which is amazing. So if you make a purchase, they donate a box of supplies to a classroom for a classroom teacher for their students. So this is really cool that they do that. So get you a stapler. It doesn't have to be from UB, from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has many staples for $1, or even Target or Walmart or Amazon, many different stores, right? Okay, cool. So that is number 5. Number 6 is a pointer. A pointer, y'all. Now, if you're in elementary, this is definitely highly recommended, but middle and high school, maybe not, but I definitely recommend it, y'all. Even in middle and high school, sometimes students love when you're using hand motions, you're pointing, they love you to spice it up. You can tracking the board, point to the words. It makes it fun and engaging. You're like, follow me, up, down, have like a little magic wand, right? And you don't have to reach up really, really high because I'm short. So I need this to help me like, oh, this is where I'm pointing to, y'all. This is where I need you to read. Your eyes need to be here. Can you see that, right? So this helps me because I am not very tall. So if you're a short person like me, you got short people problems, get you a pointer. Okay, so that is number 6. We have our pointer, number 7 and 8. So these are 2 different items. Number 7 is the clipboard. You need your clipboard, right? Number 8 is the pen. So I got this pen from Dollar Tree, y'all. Actually, no. I did get a similar pen from Dollar Tree. So this was from Dollar Tree, and this was from a little cool like thrift store. But Dollar Tree has them too. Here you go. So it's very important you get your pen and get some string so you can tie it to your clipboard. And when you're walking around the room, it's hanging off of your clipboard like this. And then you just swivel it up, open like that, and just take attendance, take your breakfast tracker, write down notes of how students are mastering their goals. If they're not mastering their goals, who needs help, who does not need help, who is trying their best, and what lessons you need to reteach, right? Make that all down on your handy dandy clipboard. So that is number 7, clipboard, and number 8, a pen, okay? These from Dollar Tree, y'all. These are all from Dollar Tree, if I didn't let you know. Pen, pointer from Dollar Tree, and clipboards you can find from Dollar Tree. There's so many goodies at Dollar Tree, my favorite store, y'all. But that's it for number 8. Number 9. And I'm sure most of you guys have this already, but if you don't and you're thinking, what do I need? Get you a purse. So this is number 9, your purse, and number 10, sanitizer. Okay, now the sanitizer I got from Dollar Tree. All I did was wrap it around my purse, and then my purse has all my teacher essentials in there. I'll do another video of what is in my teacher bag, but these are just the starting point of what you need, because when you have your bag, you can put your keys, your badges for your teacher's badge. You can also put your own essential piece for your home, for your car, and then you can put like a little cool emoji or funny thing that represents yourself, right? And so these are my top 10 must-have essentials. These are just the beginning. This is part 1. There are so many more essentials that you need as a teacher, but I highly recommend these top 10. I highly recommend you get your teacher bag. You can use a book bag or you can use a purse like I do. You definitely need your hand sanitizer for sure. You definitely need a waitress 3-pocket wraparound for sure, so that you can hold your phone, you can hold pens, markers, erasers, pencils, stickers, band-aids, first aid kit supplies, all in here on you. You definitely need your sharpener as well as a surge protector that is able to hold many different outlets such as USBs and 3-port charts. You definitely need a clipboard, a pen, and a pointer. And you definitely need a cutter to cut and save time, and laminating machine to save time. These are really great essentials that I hope helps you have a wonderful and fantastic year. Remember to take deep breaths, breathe in and breathe out, have fun with your students, do your best to make sure that they feel valued, loved, and safe in your classroom. You're gonna have a wonderful year. Do your self-care routines after school, prep in advance, collaborate with your teammates, and always ask for help. You can do this. Just try your best to create that wonderful, positive, culturally responsive learning environment. If you need any help or any questions, feel free to comment below, ask me. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful, blessed day.